Hi guys, it's Dr. Pop from Drs Bop and Pop, and I'm so glad you're here today, because it's a beautiful day. We can't just stay inside. Come on, let's go. Wow, it's so nice out. It's kinda hot. Mom has the sprinklers running. Do you know what a sprinkler moves like? It goes side to side, and it sprays out water. You want to try the dance with me? Now that was really fun, and that's one of my favorite dance moves. Hey look, there's a whole group of people coming our way. Now wait a second. Mom told me that I need to wear something if I'm gonna be around a group of people. Was it a hat? No, it wasn't a hat. Maybe some fancy boots. But that wasn't that either. It was something on my face. Oh, I know, a mustache. No? Wait a minute. A mask, that's it.
I might need your help, because I can't remember where a mask goes. Does it go here? No, that's not right. How about here? But then I can't see anything. That doesn't seem right. Here? No, that's not right either. I do remember that we're supposed to cover our mouth. What do you think, guys? Does that look right? No, because germs can come from our mouth and our nose. Nice.
See these loops? You put these loops around your ears, and you make sure it's nice and snug. But you should be able to breathe just okay when you have it on. Now remember, it's very important to cover your mouth and your nose to prevent spreading germs. Now this helps keep you and everyone around you safe, okay? Enjoy the outdoors, and please stay safe if you're gonna be in a group of people, and wear a mask. Make sure to ask Mom and Dad for which size mask is right for you, okay? Bye, see you out there.
It's Drs Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Drs Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. Mama's got a mask. What's that for? She puts it on her face when she walks out the door. Daddy's got a mask, looking really silly. He wears it for protection. I'm like, oh really? It's okay, don't be afraid. Mom and Dad are behind the masquerade. It's still just Mom and Dad. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. I don't know why I can't hug my grandpa when I come and say hi.
I love you, Grandpa.
I don't know why I can't kiss my grandma when I go and say goodbye.
I love my grandma.
ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. I don't know why I can't give my best friend a high five.
High five.
Sorry, little Bop. For now, we just wave.
Coronavirus is really changing our lives. Hang in there, guys. This is only temporary. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Everyone's got a mask around me. Now a mask goes over mouth and nose. Make sure it's secure so a virus doesn't go inside.
Make sure it's tight.
Make sure it's tight, yeah. Now a mask goes over mouth and nose. Make sure it's secure so a virus doesn't go inside.
So what it is?
Make sure it's tight, yeah. Oh. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around me. Mama put a mask on me. 2, 3. Everyone's got a mask around. It's beginning to feel like Halloween. ABC, 1, 2, 3. Coronavirus is why we're in quarantine.
1, 2, 3, quarantine.
I'll play quarantine.
Hey guys, it's Drs Bop and Pop, and we're wishing everyone good health. So remember, stay safe.
Hi!
Hi!
What's going on?
I'm just a little bored.
I'm bored too.
Man, all the social distancing Mom said we have to do is so not fun.
Social distancing? I don't even know what that means.
It means we can't play together
Oh man.
because of Corona.
Coronavirus. Is that why we're wearing a mask all the time?
Yup.
Okay. So what are we gonna do?
I have an idea.
Wait a minute. You have an idea?
Yes, we can still play together and be safe.
What?
Yup.
How do we do that?
Well, we can do activities together, but apart. First idea is we can throw a ball into a bucket and see who gets it in first.
Oh,
You want to play?
that sounds like a great idea. It sounds like so much fun.
I
And we're
know.
still distancing each other. Let's do it. You guys want to join us? Come on.
You can go first.
Okay. Here's my ball.
You missed. That's okay.
It's
My
okay.
turn.
All right.
I'm going to use a different ball so that we don't have the same one.
Yeah. Oh, you got it.
Yay! Air 5.
Woo! Hey, wait a minute. I think they want to try too. You guys want to try? Okay. There's the ball. High five! Okay, what else can we do?
Do you have any ideas?
Why don't we play hide and seek?
That's a good one.
And remember, when we catch each other, no touching.
Okay, I'm going to go hide.
Okay, I gotta count to 10. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
ready or not, here I come.
Nope.
You got me! Oh, no. Okay, your turn.
My turn. Okay.
Go hide. I'm going to count to 10. Here I come.
Shh.
There you are. I heard you.
That was so much fun. Air fun again. Woo! You too, guys. Woo! Okay, what else can we do?
We need one more thing to do. I know. I always like to play Simon Says, and we can do that far apart.
You're right. Let's do it.
All right.
Wait, do you guys want to join us? Can't hear you.
I think they do.
All right, come on.
All right, I'll start.
Okay.
So I'm going to say Simon Says, and then you have to do what I say.
Oh boy.
But if I don't say Simon Says, then you shouldn't do it.
All right.
All right. Simon says, touch your nose. Simon says, wiggle. Raise one hand. Oh, Simon didn't say.
Did you guys get caught too? That was fun. Oh, that's a good game.
You want to try?
Okay, that's hard. Simon says, close your eyes. Open your eyes.
Oh, no, you got me.
I got you. Did I get you guys too?
Yeah, you got me.
That's fun. Well, maybe we could do something different. I know.
What?
Why don't we go biking?
Oh, that's a great idea. I love biking.
Yeah, do you guys want to go biking with us? Come on. All right. I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
Yep, you got your helmet?
Oh, gotta get my helmet. Okay. Remember to wear a helmet and stay safe. All right, let's go. Woohoo! I love this hill. That's so much fun.
I love seeing nature.
Me too.
Ooh, there's a cool tree.
Oh, don't let go of the handlebar. All right, that was fun.
Oh man, that was so much fun, but now I'm so hungry.
I'm hot too, and thirsty.
Did your mom pack you some snacks?
I do have snacks for my mom.
Can I have some?
I don't think we should share our food today.
You're right.
Did you bring any snacks?
I did. We can have our snacks together without sharing.
Yeah, and we're not sharing because of
Corona.
Corona, and we're practicing social distancing. That was great. That was so much fun. Did you guys have a good time? Hooray! Now remember, if you like what you saw today, please subscribe, like, and hit that ring bell. And we have lots more videos to come and lots of videos that are already available. Why don't you click on one and you'll see what else we have in store.
It's Drs Bop and Pop. The fun and learning never stops. Join Drs Bop and Pop. While we play, we'll learn a lot.
Hey guys, it's Drs Bop and Pop, and I'm sure you've heard there's a virus going around.
But wait, Dr. Bop, what exactly is a virus? 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 We're together and we can fight this.
Virus, a virus. Work together and we can fight this. Now a virus is so small you can't even see it.
Is it for real?
Oh, it's real, guarantee it. It's shaped like a ball, got spikes on its walls.
Like a porcupine.
Not at all, it's a virus, virus. Work together and we can fight this.
A virus. A virus. We're together and we can fight this.
Now a virus has receptors that are shaped like a key. Try to get into your cells.
You mean get inside of me?
Make sure your house is locked.
I wash my hands a lot.
Wear a mask in public.
Kinda like an astronaut. Virus. Virus. We're together and we can fight this.
Virus, a virus. Work together and we can fight this.
Eat healthy. Stay active.
Fight the virus. Don't contract it.
Make sure to get lots of sleep at night.
Your immune system's strong, not weak. That's right. Virus, virus. Work together and we can fight this.
A virus. A virus. We're together and we can fight this. Remember, guys, wash your hands, cough and sneeze into a tissue or your elbow, and stay safe. With us, Drs Bop and Pop.